everyone, this is Veronica from Comcrafty. I am back again with a new card, a tutorial for a new card. That's the card, and it will be made 100% out of scraps that I have got left over from making this album, the Dear Diary album, with papers from Mintai Papers, which I absolutely loved. So from whatever scraps of paper I have got left from this this album, and only one decoration from the decoration sheet, I have followed this sketch, which I have kind of pulled when I printed it, so then it's not square anymore, it's rectangular. Um, I have used this to create this card, which I loved how it turned out, and I hope you like it too. It's, like I said, 100% made of scraps, and the cardstock, including its leftover from previous albums that I have got, a bag full of such scraps. So the base of the card measures 21 centimeters. No, sorry, open it measures 30 centimeters by 10 and a half. On the 30 centimeter side, you score and fold in half. So then you will obtain a base card of 10 and a half by 15 and a half centimeters. Okay, so the first element that we need to apply after we have applied the pattern paper on the base is this half circle, which I have obtained also of a scrap piece of cardstock from a wedding album that I did last year, or this year even in the beginning, before weddings. I mean, when weddings were still allowed to happen. Um, so this circle I have made using a, I don't know, in Romanian it's called compass. I don't know in English the word right now, but I will get back to you on that. Anyway, getting back to the pattern paper, that measures 15 by 10. Obviously, it's half a centimeter smaller than the base on both width and length. And then to measure the diameter of the circle, I measured the pattern paper in width, which we said it's 10. And I said, okay, it shouldn't be more than 1 centimeter smaller. So then I decided the diameter of the circle will be 9 centimeters. So like I said, I have used the tool that you make, this tool, which I don't find the English word for right now. I will get back to you on that. And I created it, and now I'm dividing it in half to obtain just half a circle, which is exactly what I need. I have decided to stick it not starting from the pattern paper edge, but directly from the edge of the card. So it will overlap a bit, not just a bit, completely the base of the card as well. I have used double sticky tape to apply it down to the card. And yeah, it's as easy as that. So that's what I'm showing you here, that I wanted to overlap the base of the card, not just the double printed paper, because I think it would look more interesting. And like I said, I'm very happy with the result. By the way, this is a very quick and easy card. It's a perfect gift for you if you are in a hurry or emergency situation and you don't really have the time to go out and buy something. You will be done with this card in half an hour. So with getting dressed and taking the taxi or the car to whatever shop you need to go to buy a card and come back, you will spend more time on that, I think, than creating the card. Okay, now the next elements are these banners, which I have decided to make them double. In other words, as you can see in the sketch, which by the way comes from kgiron.blogspot.com. They are simple in the card sketch. I have decided to make them double, And so over the um, red cardstock, which measures 2 centimeters in width and like 10 centimeters in length, I have added strips of golden cardstock, which are 1.5 centimeters in width and as long as the original, 10. And this is how I cut them, how I cut the V shape into their end to transform them into banners. So now using double sticky tape, I stick down the golden banner on the um, red cardstock, which by the way is not red, I am aware of it. But again, the word doesn't come to me. Dark red cardstock, burgundy, that's the word, sorry. And then I apply double sticky tape as well on the burgundy cardstock, on the back of it, in order to stick it to the card. Right now, my banners are both equal in length, so they are both 10 centimeters long, but I will cut off the second one, like 2 centimeters, in order for it to become smaller than the first one, because this is how the sketch shows and this is how it looks good as well. So first I will stick down, of course, the longer banner on the card. And as you can see here, I'm applying, I think, the last golden banner. And now they are both ready, I think. Oh yes, I forgot to apply the half circle and double sticky tape on the base. So yes, I did it a bit the other way around in order of operations this time, but that's not a problem whatsoever. Luckily, most of the mistakes in scrapbooking can be fixed, so that's really nice of it. Okay, so I really hope you like this card. If you have seen the previous card tutorial for the Dear Diary Art Deco card, which I will leave a link down below, that was also made 100% out of scraps from the same album, and also based on a sketch, you will see that they are perfect, both of them, for any occasion, basically. They are feminine cards, indeed, but absolutely perfect for almost any anniversary. What is different between the two is that the first one, the Art Deco card, opens vertically, and this one opens horizontally, like a book, which I thought was interesting and nice to make a difference and keep a variety. So now we stick down the pattern paper, and always important is to mind the direction of the paper to make sure that it corresponds with the direction of our card. So in this case, our card opens to the left, like I said, and we have a vertical orientation of the paper to make sure that they go both in the same direction. Okay, doesn't it look lovely already? I think so, but of course we don't stop here. So now in turn we have to apply the half circle. And after this, we try to keep an equal distance, both top and bottom. So like I said, it's half a centimeter up and half a centimeter down, because in total it's only 1 centimeter difference between the diameter of the circle and the width of our card. The card is 10 centimeters in width, and the half circle is 9. Okay, and now it's the time to stick down the banners. We start with any of them because right now they have both the same length. And I established the bottom of the golden light bulb to be the upper limit for my banner. So uh, I will stick it exactly at the bottom of that light bulb, the golden one. I didn't want that image to be um, affected at all. So I left it completely free because I wanted it to become the focal image of the card. And this is what it becomes. Okay, and now you will see that we will have to cut off the length of this banner to make it smaller than the first one. So they make sense. And I'm trying to stick it under the half circle so the edge is not visible, the edge of the banner. So like I said, I will cut 1.5 centimeter. That's how much I cut off the first one, the second banner, sorry. And I sticked it over the second one, right under the half circle. And now all we have left to do is to put some double sticky tape. If you want, you can use glue dots as well, but I chose to use double sticky tape in this case. I didn't want to be able to see what is under the light bulb. And as you can see, this light bulb that I cut off the decoration sheet of the collection is exactly the light bulb that we covered with the banners. And once we stick it down, this thing will be visible, which will add, I think, value to the card. So all we have now left to do is to glue it down next to it, as to cover the edge of the left edge of the banners, and to highlight somehow that light bulb. And now your card is ready. And I really hope you like it. I think you realize how quick and easy it was. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be seeing you really soon. Bye bye.